So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update. Now, if you take a look at this our GBPJPY, we can clearly see that GBPJPY is very much in an uptrend move. So we are having what? A series of higher high and an higher low. So that is our food trend. If you take a look at it on the food on the main trend and also on our current trend, right? We can clearly see that we are in an uptrend move. Now, for quick analysis, we will have to go to our daily time frame, understand the movement, then we will go to our 4 hour time frame to understand what market is doing. So on this our daily time frame, right, we've gotten this high. For quick analysis, we will say this, let's say probably this is our high, then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually did a new high. Here comes the higher low. So markets eventually pushed up again to give a new high. And now that we've gotten this new high, we are expecting market to give us another higher low. So guys, an higher low, which market has just played out, right? As it fully played out is what we are going to understand on our forward time from now. So now we've gotten this pullback, which is in red, right? Now, as it fully pulled back, is where that is when we go to our forward time frame, and we can see that this it looks like it has fully pulled back, right? Because if you see that market is now giving us a multiple rejection at this low here, thereby failing to break below it. So with what market is doing, market should push up again to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, our next forecast on GBPJPY for the day is another bullish move. So one more push up that will eventually take out this previous high is what we are expecting on GBPJPY. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. But if there will be any, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification. So once I drop the update, immediately you will get it.